Hey Algebra 2 students, this video is going to go over how to make folders. Now, folders just really help you stay organized in a project. As you can see, my dragonfly has a head and two body sections. It's got a little antenna section, and it's got several ellipses that are serving as the wings. So sometimes you kind of want to be a little bit more organized and not have as much stuff in the way. So a folder is really easy to make. You do it with the little add button. Expression is what all of these are, right? We've done tables before. If you do a folder, then what you can do is I'm going to move my folder over here, and this is going to be wings, so I can name what is in it. And then anything that's under, I'm going to hold it and pull. Notice this line appears, and I want to pull, so I'm going to click and pull kind of sideways a little until I get the little line. So just click, click and pull sideways a little bit. Same thing for all these. And then what you'll notice is all of them have those lines. Now I can close the folder for wings and not have it be in the way. Similarly, I can do like a folder for my body. And I can have like all my purple head and body pieces be a part of that folder. Same thing, you just click and then have the lines. Notice the black one is not there. So when I close this folder, the black one is not part of that group, right? It was not having a line. So this is just a nice way to stay organized, especially if you've got lots of little sections going on. It's really, really helpful to have that as a tool. Okay, that's it for this. Make sure as you're adjusting, do always remember to save before you close out to save any changes.